Hello, everybody. This is Costas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you uh, the issue with Gravity Forms. It's not, in fact, an issue because Gravity Forms works perfect always. You just need to be able to have a good uh, SEO. The point is that if you need to have a good SEO so that you can showcase your your listings uh, and that counts mostly if you use the views of the Gravity Forms, you need to show particular um, um, fields to uh, the to be able to scrape from the robots and show them to social media. I'm gonna show you the one plugin that I have created. It's the GV Forced Meta Settings. That's a really interesting plugin. Let me close those notifications here. And as you can see, to this plugin, you check the single entry slug. And what this plugin does, it's rewriting the whole uh, link so that it becomes a SEO slug. Okay, you see that it forces a canonical to SEO slug. Uh, that's why you're gonna see the result. Let me just bring the Facebook over here. That's a tool that you're gonna find here to Facebook, to Meta. It's a sharing debugger. If you share this link, okay, that's gonna be the link. It's gonna be prepared and it's gonna force this canonical link. That's very important for for sharing to social media or for Google scraping your website. As you can see here, it's not scraping the title, and it gets the description normally, but it's not getting the image correctly. So let's move on and set the image over here to the plugin. Sorry. And in fact, what we're gonna do with this plugin, I'm gonna decide which field it's the title that I want to force uh, for scraping, which is gonna be the description that I want this to be forced for scraping, the image field, that's really important, the fallback image field. So here I can set the image field, the one that for my example it's the image of the doctor here, and the second image over here, the image field, the fallback image field, it's gonna be the uh, the image that it shows the gallery over here. You see, I got the gallery of the doctor and all the office and everything. So uh, as you can see, I'm gonna decide what those fields are gonna be, and I want to pay attention to those fields, and that is gonna help the SEO of the whole website, and it's gonna make my site great again, as somebody else says. Okay, so there is a fallback image URL here. So in case if uh, the sharing debugger uh, or any social media won't find um, an image to the fields that I'm setting above, it's gonna try to get another image that I'm gonna set right now, and I'm gonna decide which is gonna be this image, and I'm gonna tell it to just to pull this image in case it doesn't find anything else. Okay. So I'm gonna prepare very fast this image, the fallback image, and I'm gonna set those fields. How I'm gonna set those fields? I'm gonna have to move to my form. Let's go to my gravity form over here, and I'm gonna find the form that I'm working, and it's this one for all. I'm gonna click edit. I'm gonna change this image, this field from here, and decide that what this field is gonna be. So I'm gonna select show field IDs here. Okay, I want to have the compact view and show the field's ID. I'm gonna move down and find the one that it has the title. I want, let's say, the name uh, of uh, of the doctor in this case to be. So it's gonna be this one. That's gonna be the title, um, and I can grab this one. It's the 58. I'm gonna decide here and get the 58, or I can. You see, I have the at the moment. You're gonna see that the title here is title field number 1, but there is no number 1 field over here. I don't have any number 1 field, and I got other fields. So in this case, it's grabbing nothing. That's why I get this entry here. You see, I got no title. In this case, I'm gonna come here and decide to grab the 58 from here, or I can select, let's say, the title, or I can select the doctor over here that it's gonna be the case of entry, uh, or I will just select the 58 in this case, just to see how it's working. Let's go here and select 58. Okay, the description field is 25 over here. Um, as I can see here, it's grabbing it normally. Let's find the description. The description is over here, and it's 25. That's the 25. Yeah, that's correct. The image of of the field is over here. It's 38. Let me find the correct image. As you can see, it's grabbing no image. So the image of the doctor over here is this one. It's 77. Okay, I'm gonna come here and select 77. The fallback image field, I'm gonna find over here the gallery, and I'm gonna show you the gallery is 98. Okay, no, sorry, it's 102. 102, it's the gallery, and I can even set more fallback images here. I think I got no more images here. Yeah, uh, yeah, that's the two places that I got images. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna create a fallback image and add it right away. You see here I have another image. I'm gonna upload it to my, let's save these settings just to see the results, because it needs some time to scrape everything. I'm gonna create the fallback image, but let's try to scrape again the same um, entry to see if something is gonna change here, because now our plugin is gonna step in and show the correct meta data. Okay, and as you can see, I got an error here because of the image. So I'm just waiting the scraper here to check my my website, and as you can see, it's not bringing anything. So I'm gonna have to clear and purge all caches to be sure that it's working normally. I'm gonna clean the caches because I even use the Cloudflare, and this can hold. Um, this can keep a bigger cache over there and have this kind of issues. And there you go. You see, I got everything working now, but I don't have the title. Let me just scrape again because I just cleaned the cache. And we have to find the title and have the title over here correct, because we have the description, we have the image, we have alternative images, we got everything working normal, but we need a good title. Okay, I don't have a good title, and it's trying. You see that this time provided OG image for this one could not be processed as an image. It may be corrupted or may have an invalid format. That has to do with the Greek name here, and nothing else. But it's very easy to correct this part. Okay, I'm gonna show you right away, because I told the plugin what exactly to scrape. Let's go here and change the title field. You see I have 58. I'm gonna uh, select. Let's find here what we got for. Uh, it's the 58 over here, but each one a field that it's automatically populated. So in this case, I will prefer to uh, to set this uh, this field. Let me see that I have it over here and it's 58. I want to be sure that it's the one that is populated over here. Let me just have a look to the field. I need to see this one. I'm gonna inspect this field. That's the one that I'm using here. Okay, sorry. We see the grid value, and we got the details here. Um, this one is the 58. You see that? Yeah, it's the 58. That part is the field. Let me just try again and save. Okay, let me show you now how I'm gonna add my fallback image URL. I'm gonna move over here to the media, the library. In fact, I'm gonna add a media file over here. Okay, I'm gonna click add media file. I'm gonna select the image that I want to use. Let me just stop the music here. I'm gonna select the image that I use. It's over here, the projects, and to the Mediconet I created one image, and this one was um, the fallback image, the one that I need. Let me just find it. It's none of those. Maybe I never saved this one. Okay, I'm gonna save it over here to my projects and to Mediconet. There you go. Okay, now I got it ready to the correct place. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna upload this image. You see, I got it here, and I'm gonna just grab the URL. You see, copy URL to clipboard. I'm gonna move on and return back to my plugin. The plugin was over here to the tools, settings, and JV forced meta. I'm gonna paste over here. There you go. And you see auto switch to fallback if image it's not bigger than 200 pixels, Facebook requirements. gonna save changes here, and I'm gonna try once again to scrape, but first I'm gonna purge all caches so that it's gonna be a clean scrape. You see I scraped 12 seconds ago. I'm gonna scrape again now to see the result. Okay, I have made some changes to the code of the plugin, and to force the image, and I even decided to add a title that it's gonna be, you see here, it found the URL normally, just it time out and it gave a previous one. So I'm gonna just scrape once again. So we are looking for the title, and we are looking for the correct image over here. Okay. The image, if there is sometimes there is a better image, and it decides, the scraping decides to use this one. And you see over here now, I got no image. I can even change that over here, and I got another option here, alternative title field ID. Okay, in case it finds nothing to the other one, I can select the 107 over here, or I can select this one, 81. Okay, that's gonna be interesting. Uh, it's gonna show what kind of doctor is this one, and you see here it grabbed everything. It has another image over here, and I'm gonna scrape again to see if it's gonna pull the title, because I got no title. Okay, let me just see, because maybe I'm gonna need to clean the cache once again so that it's gonna work normally. Sorry. Okay, now as you can see, it's working normally, but it has a problem with the images because it sees a lot of images. I can decide in this case to remove um, the fallback image field from here, that it's going to be 102, and the this one I can leave it over here, because the fallback image field over here, it's not available, and maybe the plugin tries to check all of them, and sometimes it finds nothing over here, and does not provide any output. Let's try again and scrape, but as you can see, it pulled normally this part, and that's uh, this part over here. It's the one that it says what kind of doctor is this one. And now I'm gonna try to pull the image, but over here you see that the provided image could not be processed as an image. It may be corrupted, um, or may have an invalid format. Okay, it's the format. In this case, let me just show you, because when there is a problem with the format, I can remove even this part. I'm gonna remove 102, because that's gonna be the main image. The main image is the field that it's the 77, and I'm gonna clean the cache once again. Okay, and I'm gonna just click to scrape once again the website to see the result. Okay, but you see that in case it doesn't find anything to the title, it just moves on and goes to the next uh, that it's it didn't find anything to the name, and it moved on to the next one. And as you can see now, it pulled the image normally. It pulled the image. It decided alone and pulled an image. Let me just show you even here. I'm gonna scrape once again. But the point is that it manages to find exactly the description, the title that you want to set, and in case somebody clicks the link when you share to any kind of um, social media, it's gonna show the correct entry. Okay, I'm gonna work a little bit more with the image because this image it has Greek inside and it doesn't like the Greek as it looks with the gravity form or even with the images that Facebook sees. But this plugin is really useful in case you have any kind of directory and you want to have really SEO and canonical sales like to your directory. Trust me, this plugin is gonna save you tons of time and it's gonna give traffic to any website that uses Gravity Forms. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm gonna publish even the latest versions, and when you buy the plugin you get any version for free. You can find inside your panel from fspirits.com all the versions of the latest versions of the plugin, and you can download it for free. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.